Hey everyone, Gaming Boss here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a joystick for Pokemon Go. Yeah, you heard me. So let's get started. First, you need to go to your Play Store, but I need to tell you that this only works for Android. So it just only works for Android. So go to Fly GPS, type that in your app store, and then you go to Fly GPS, not the one with the compass, the one with the earth with wings on it. You go to that, then you install it. And so wait for that to install. Let me turn on my Wi-Fi. Okay, and then let's go to Pokemon Go. I already got the evolution of the Santa Pikachu. I'll show it to you. You can get the lessons now. It's in the 800s. I really want one of these, but I don't have enough money. Okay, once Fly GPS is ready to be opened, open it up. It's really easy to use, but just in case, I'll show you how to use it and what things are. So if you click the open settings, it will pop up on your screen soon. Turn on developer options, then you go down to select mock location app, and then you click that. Then you click the app Fly GPS, the one that we're using, and then you go back, and it should be able to work. And then wherever you're at, like right now I'm in Illinois, so search somewhere you want to go. You cannot go to really far places, you won't be able to catch anything, or you won't be able to catch Pokemon or collect Pokestops, but you are able to hatch your eggs, and I'll show you that really quick. So right now I'm in Illinois, and I'm gonna go to Hassel Park, and then let's go there. So right now, that's where I'm at right now. So then you click the play button, and then you go over here, and then you click the heart. Well, if you're wondering what the heart is for, if you click the heart, that means it's your favorite. So if you just wanna, it's basically check marking it, you go to favorites, and then that's where it is. That's your favorite. And then if you wanna, let's just go to Pokemon Go, and I'll show you after that. And then it moves you to the place where you put it, and then you can move around. And if you try it out, you're too fast to hatch eggs, and I'll show you how to change the speed right after I show you that you are able to catch a Pokemon. And then I need to click to the first stop to show you guys. this should catch him. Oh, come on. Okay, this one, I'm gonna get this Weedle. So this, I'm showing you that it can catch Pokemon, but that Meowth was just being stubborn. And then I'll show you that you can collect Pokestops. I don't know if I already did, but let's see if I can catch this one. Just have to see. So you know that you can catch Pokemon now. And then so if it's like you're not able to hatch eggs, if you're trying it out right now and you're not able to, like, your eggs aren't like, if your eggs aren't like really progressing, you just go back to the app. You click these 3 lines in the corner and then you go to settings. Let's get that out the way. And then you click move distance. That's basically like how fast you walk, and do 5. Because that's what I prefer. That's what I do. And then you have to click this in the top right corner. You click that camera looking thing, and that saves it. And then it should make you go slower. Let's see. It's making me go slower now. So, yeah. Well, I hope this worked for you, and thanks for watching. Make sure to destroy that like button and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye.